Hello everyone, welcome to Messy Jess channel, and today is day 12 into our 30 days art challenge, and I thought I'm gonna do something different today. I'm gonna turn this cup into a spaceship. Okay, so before we go into the spaceship, let's start with the environment around it first. I want to have pink cloud, and for the skyline, instead of having it straight, I'm gonna have it in an angle just to create this a little more dramatic effect, you know. I'm having a hard time to put in this cup into the painting. I keep rotating it and couldn't find the right position for the spaceship. Alright, here we are finally. I'm settled. This is the position I'm gonna stay with. Okay, let me know in the comment below what do you think about my painting today. It's kind of different and kind of weird than usual. Let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!